Alrighty guys, let's talk. I'm in the process of, this was a stolen recovery. Okay, in case you don't know, thieves like to, or they tend to gain access to the star connectors. Okay, from the star connectors they can basically get into your computer system and program a key to your car and in essence steal your car. Okay, yes, this is a charge. These are fairly easy to steal from what I'm hearing. Okay, once you gain access to the star connector, but the new system, security gateway and all that, supposedly help prevent that. Now JT, how do you replace these things? I'm replacing this one because they did gain access to it, and I don't know if they did any internal damage to it. It's a bunch of these little white connectors right here. Represents a module. Okay, we use these for diagnostic purposes. Back in the day, we used to unhook a module. If we had a problem with the bus network, we was told, or we was trained to go to each particular module and simply unplug it and see what happens if the problem go away. Now times had changed. Okay, enter into the world star connectors. Yeah, all these connectors represent a module. So again, this is my new one right here. I'm basically pulling all the white connectors out of here, going into here. But some may wonder, how in fact do you replace these? Guys, let me show you something. Y'all see this little tab right here? I'm trying to zoom in. You're gonna need a pick, okay? Because I've learned over the years that no matter, even if I able to get that piece right there in and pull, it still don't come out. So what I do is take my pick. It's gonna be hard to do this with one hand, but I go, let me show you. I go under here. Take a good look at this. Let me zoom in. See, one might think you could simply put your pick right here and open this latch and pull. But no, for some reason it don't work like that. So I have to go underneath, like right here, and pull. Let me see if I can set this up right quick for y'all to see. All right guys, and there you have it. That's how you replace a star connector. Fairly simple. All right, and guys, it don't matter what slot. I mean, they only gonna fit in their perspective slot. In other words, these don't have to go in the same way you took this out. Okay, I'm just doing that for the video's sake. All right, because it's a good habit. Put stuff back where you got it from. Now, is this bad? Is this shorted? We don't know. We'll never know. It's just too big a risk to take. I don't know if the thief got in here and did something. Again, it's just a bunch of contacts inside of here that's closing off circuits to let you read information, read if there's a module presence and things like that. So the risk alone warrants replacing it. All right, so now the thief that tried to steal this car, suck off, buddy. Yeah, I'm glad you didn't get it. All right, so let me mount all this up, guys. I'm done. All right, that's all I have. How to replace a star connector. All right, that's all I have. Thanks for watching.